Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the card value and unlocking it. Enter the gift card number and PIN on Hot Topic. Com to check balance. Once done, sign in or create an account so your billing and shipping info is ready. This speeds checkout. Add your desired items to the cart and confirm sizes and quantities. Make sure the cart total does not exceed the card balance, because any shortfall must be paid with an alternate payment method. Once at checkout, go straight to the payment area and select gift card as the payment method. This ensures the system reserves funds properly. Enter the card number and PIN exactly as printed, then click Apply. This deducts the gift value from your order subtotal. If the card covers only part of the total, make sure to select and complete a secondary payment method. Hot Topic will combine payments, but you must authorize the remaining amount, but finish by reviewing the final total, shipping and taxes included, and confirm the gift card credit appears. Click Place Order and wait for the confirmation email. Save the order number and a screenshot showing the applied gift card amount for your records. If the card is declined, recheck the PIN and balance, confirm the card was activated at purchase, and retry. If problems persist, contact Hot Topic support with the card number and order ID so they can resolve
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.